Hello guys, welcome to my video. In today's video I will tell you about Motorola G34. So here we are at GSM Arena. So Karachi to Dubai. No, it's an given. Not you can see there. Motorola Moto G34 released 2023 December 29 and its weight is 179 gram 8 thickness Android 13 128 GB storage micro SDXC is an external storage which we can add. So 6.5 inches it display 50 megapixel 8 GB RAM and 5000 mAh battery. Although it's nothing, it have been given by the tips and other things as well. Became a fan, but I don't want to be a fan. So network, we'll talk you about the network. GSM HSPA LT 5G network technology. Launch announced status 2023 December 22. Available release 2023 December 29. Body dimension 162.7 74.6 8 mm. Weight 179 grams, and while the SIM is being SIM nano SIM dual standby. Type IPS LCD 120 Hz and type 6.5 resolution 720 1600 megapixel 20.9 ratio. Exact display resolution is not known. Platform operating system 13 chipset Qualcomm octa-core GPU CPU and Reno 619. While the memory card slot internal micro SDXC is an external 128 GB and 8 GB RAM. So further on I will talk about the main camera of this mobile phone. Okay, main camera is 50 megapixel 2 megapixel dead. Features LED flash HDR panorama videos 1080 at 30 fps selfie camera single video 60 megapixel 1080p at 30 fps. Sound loudspeaker, yes Snapdragon sound. Common WLAN Bluetooth positioning NFC radio USB, yes GPS specified USB. Featured sensor fingerprint battery type charging and live pro 18 watt mix black blue about 13 euro. So these are some of the details of the mobile phone. While I will be I will be reading about the opinion which I will be reading here as well. Oh, sorry, I have been sneezing for a few days. My health is not good for certain 2 to 3 days. I know Dimensity 7020 in remake in the Dimensity 930, Dimensity 730 remake, Dimensity 1000. Low medium setting, in other words, non-flagship experience. Although people don't prefer Motorola mobile phone, why I don't know the reason for that. But I will tell you about the platform. I don't know what's the platform reason for it. It also it can't. So here you can see the operating system is based on infrastructure software component of computerized system. It control all basic operation of the computer electronic system in smartphone. The operating system allowed the system to third-party application. Among the most popular operating system are the Microsoft Windows and Apple Macro OS, along with the various distribution and the popular OS mobile phone, and some of the details are be mentioned. Net market share, Symbian, and the health and family related items. These are the things which have been mentioned in it. So if you want to help on a operating system definition, so I think that's more than enough for you guys. You don't even take care. Bye.